Welcome to Health for You channel. Always subscribe to Health for You channel for stay healthy wealthy life. When you're living with chronic kidney disease, CKD, what you eat and drink, and how much, is important, and you'll want to start eating a kidney-friendly diet. Someone in the early stages of kidney disease may have different dietary needs than someone in the later stages. Talking to your doctor or renal dietitian will help you learn exactly what to eat and drink and why. Eating well and following a chronic kidney disease diet is key to keeping your kidneys working as long as possible. What is a chronic kidney disease diet and how is it different? Although a kidney-friendly diet follows many of the same basic ideas of a regular healthy diet, people living with CKD may also need to watch or limit certain foods. When your kidneys aren't functioning at 100%, waste and fluid can build up in the body, causing health problems. Eating well can help your kidneys continue to function and keep you feeling your best. People with kidney disease may need to limit their intake of sodium, potassium, phosphorus, protein, fluids. In order to feel your healthiest, your individual needs may change if kidney disease progresses. Your doctor or dietitian may recommend dietary changes based on the results of your blood tests. If you already follow a certain diet for diabetes, high blood pressure, or other heart conditions, continue following those dietary recommendations as well. Learn to read and understand nutrition labels. It's important for people living with CKD to understand how to read nutrition labels. In addition to keeping an eye on certain nutrients, pay close attention to serving size. Be aware that the serving size listed may not match how much you actually expect to eat. When reading nutrition labels, the percent daily value, DV, tells you how much a serving of food contributes to a daily diet, based on a diet of 2,000 calories. Try sticking to the following percent daily values for each serving. Dietary fiber, more than 10% DV. Saturated fat, less than 10% DV. Trans fat, none. Sodium, less than 10% DV. Added sugars, less than 10% DV. Lighten up on protein. Your body uses protein to build and repair muscle. When you're living with CKD, your doctor may suggest cutting back on how much protein you eat because of its effect on your kidneys. While protein is an important building block for a healthy body, it creates a waste called urea. With CKD, your body has trouble removing urea, which can make you feel tired and lose your appetite. Choose healthier proteins. When you're choosing proteins, it's a good idea to avoid processed or fast foods. Instead, choose plant-based options or fresh, lean animal proteins. Watch your portion sizes and how often you eat protein-rich foods, especially if your doctor has discussed reducing your protein intake to protect your kidneys. If you're unsure of how much protein you should eat, ask your doctor or renal dietitian for help. Plant-based proteins: soy, tofu, beans, seeds, lentils, whole wheat, nuts, peanut butter, brown rice, peas, green beans, chickpeas. Animal-based proteins: chicken, turkey, fish, shellfish, beef, pork, eggs, dairy and fresh cheese. Knowing how much protein is too much, or too little. If your kidney function is less than 25% or stage 4, you may be instructed to cut back on red meat, poultry, fish, and dairy since they contain high levels of protein. However, it's important to understand that protein is still essential for all bodily functions, so follow your doctor or dietitian's exact recommended protein intake. Limit sodium and fluid intake. Healthy kidneys rid the body of excess fluid and control how much sodium is in the body. When your kidneys are not working their best, too much sodium and fluid can build up, causing swelling, high blood pressure, and stress on your heart. As such, people living with CKD may need to limit their sodium and fluid intake. Talk to your doctor or renal dietitian about how much sodium and fluid you can consume each day, and try these tips and tricks for managing your intake. Choose fresh foods. Natural foods like fresh fruits and vegetables are great low-sodium choices because they contain less sodium compared to processed and fast foods. Read food labels closely. Foods with a percent daily value of less than 10% for sodium are good options. Watch out for reduced sodium or light in sodium options, as these can still be high in sodium or potassium. Stick to salt-free seasonings. Fresh or dried herbs, spices, and salt-free seasonings can still pack tons of flavor without the need for lots of sodium that can be hard on your kidneys. Measure and track liquids. If your doctor has talked to you about limiting your fluids, keeping track of your daily intake is a good idea. Questions about what to eat? Talk to your doctor. When it comes to a CKD diet plan, your doctor and renal dietitian are the best resources for providing the right dietary information for your unique needs. Speak up and ask questions so you can make your best choices. You can click to the link below video to get the chronic kidney disease solution now. Only $49. 100% guarantee.